We're diving straight into the world of cutting-edge VR technology with a headset that's redefining the boundaries of virtual reality and augmented reality. Get ready to experience near-perfect VR and AR with the Varjo XR3 Focal Edition, the best VR headset you probably never heard of. But why is it still a long way from finding its place in our living rooms? Let's find out. Imagine stepping into a virtual world where anything looks incredibly real. The Varjo XR3 Focal Edition makes this possible. Thanks to its double display design, it brings you jaw-dropping image sharpness, especially in VR. It's like having a picture-perfect world right in front of your eyes. You know, like real life. How do they do it? Well, the focal display boasts a mind-blowing pixel density of 70 ppd, that's pixels per degree, and an eye-popping resolution of 1920 by 1920 pixels per eye. That means you get an insane level of detail in every scene you explore. The XR3 Focal Edition doesn't miss a beat. It captures the tiniest details in objects, and the textures look so realistic, you'll think they're right in front of you. Put simply, this headset delivers image quality that's out of this world. Alright, buckle up, because this is where the Varjo XR3 Focal Edition takes things up a notch. What makes it stand out is its brand new Focal Edition camera system, and let me tell you, it is a game changer. This nifty feature not only boosts depth perception, but also cranks up the image sharpness, especially when you're up close and personal, around 30 to 80 centimeters. Now, we don't have a direct comparison to the older XR3, but in our humble opinion, the mixed reality image it delivers is darn close to perfection. Picture this. You put on the headset, and suddenly it feels like you've stepped into a whole new dimension, thanks to the XR3 Focal Edition's incredible depth and clarity, of course. But here's the catch. Good lighting conditions play a big role in this magical experience. When the lighting's just right, the pass-through function works like a window to another reality. It's like having a glimpse into a parallel world right from where you're sitting. Hold on before you dive headfirst into the XR3 Focal Edition's stunning image quality. There's something you need to know. This impressive headset is a bit sensitive to lighting conditions, so keep that in mind for the best experience. In not-so-ideal lighting, you might come across some image artifacts and pesky ISO grain. So then picture this. When the lighting isn't on point, it's like trying to take a crystal clear photo in a dimly lit room. It's just not as sharp as it could be. Plus, the image might take a moment to focus during quick movements, causing those occasional blurs. Imagine a camera trying to adjust its focus while you're on the move. That's what's happening here. And here's another kicker. When you switch between the focus and peripheral displays, there might be some stability hiccups. It's like a quick wobble when you change gears. It's not too bad, but you'll notice it. The bottom line is, the XR3 Focal Edition's image quality is top-notch. But keep an eye on the lighting and be prepared for some minor quirks. Once you understand these nuances, you'll be all set to embark on a breathtaking virtual journey with this incredible headset. Alright, let's talk user experience with the XR3 Focal Edition. It's a bit of a mixed bag, but stick with me and I'll break it down for you. So here's the deal. It operates solely via the desktop, which might raise an eyebrow or two at first. Not having its own fancy user interface can feel a bit less user-friendly, but fear not, there's more to the story. On the upside, Ultra Leap hand tracking works like a charm, and you can use VR controllers from HTC or Valve for smooth navigation. That's a win for those who love to have precise control in their virtual adventures. But, and there's always a but, the experimental standalone camera tracking still has some room for improvement. It's like trying out a new recipe. The flavor's there, but it could use a little tweak to make it perfect. Here's the bottom line. If you're a tech-savvy pro on the lookout for precision in your professional applications, the XR3 Focal Edition might just be your dream come true. Alright, let's talk about setting up the Varjo XR3 Focal Edition. It's not as straightforward as snapping your fingers, but don't worry, I'll guide you through it. First things first, you'll need 2 headset adapter boxes and a bit of PC configuration through Varjo-based software. Think of it like connecting the pieces of a puzzle to get things up and running. Now, let's get to the exciting part. The standalone camera tracking. It's still in its beta phase, but it's showing some real promise. And here's the catch. Good lighting is the key to unlock its full potential. It's like giving a little sunshine to your virtual adventures. But if you want a smooth and reliable tracking experience without any hiccups, the Steam VR option is your best friend. It's like having a trusty co-pilot that makes sure you stay on track and keeps everything running like a charm. So there you have it. Setting up the Varjo XR3 Focal Edition involves a couple of steps, but once you're done, it's a magical journey into the world of XR. Just remember, Good lighting is crucial for that standalone camera tracking to shine. And if you prefer a seamless experience, the Steam VR option has got your back. The depth rendering is spot on. Just like magic, it makes virtual objects blend seamlessly into your surroundings. You can reach out and interact with them as if they were right there in front of you. And here's the best part for all of you developers out there. No more taking off the headset every few minutes to make adjustments. The XR3 Focal Edition lets you stay immersed in your creative process without any interruptions. Talk about convenience. But here's a friendly reminder. Keep those lighting conditions in check. Good lighting is the secret sauce to ensure your pass-through experience is nothing short of spectacular. It's like having the perfect lighting for a photo shoot. Everything looks better with the right illumination. It's not as light as a feather, but fear not, there's a silver lining. The headset does add some weight, which might make your neck feel a bit strained after prolonged use. But here's where the magic happens. The clever adjustable mount over the forehead comes to the rescue. It's like having a personalized fit that ensures your comfort through your XR adventures. No more uncomfortable headsets messing with your fun. Now let's dive into the eye tracking feature. The XR3 Focal Edition has got you covered. The eye tracking accuracy is on point, and it's like having a magic wand that lets you control software with just your eyes. It's a powerful tool for all you pros out there who want to fine-tune your applications with precision. So despite the weight, the XR3 Focal Edition brings comfort to the table thanks to its adjustable mount. And with eye tracking magic, it opens up a world of possibilities for professional applications. Let's talk about sound in the XR3 Focal Edition. Prepare to be immersed in a world of rich audio experiences. The sound comes through headphones, bringing your virtual adventures to life with every beat and sound effect. It's like having your own personal soundtrack that follows you wherever you go in the virtual realm. Now, when it comes to software, here's the deal. The XR3 Focal Edition takes a no-nonsense approach. This headset means business and is designed for professionals who know their way around software development and customization. They're handing the reins to you, the pros, so that you can create your own virtual wonderland. But hey, hold on to your hats, because here's where the XR pass-through features swoops in to save the day. It's like having a crisp solution to the user-friendliness concern. XR pass-through acts like a clear window to your real surroundings, making it easy to navigate your applications without missing a beat. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of XR, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NXT Gen for more mind-bending tech content. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll uncover more futuristic marvels from the world of virtual reality. Until then, keep exploring, stay curious, and embrace the next gen.